uSindi wayengithanda kakhulu ngalendlela yokuthi and kuyahlekisa because uSindi ngibe close kuyena ngithandana noMusa yena unkosikazi kaMusa. So kwakuyinto engajwayelekile leyo kusikhona unkosikazi ongathanda umuntu othandana nomyeni wakhe. Ngangihlala kwakhe uSindi wayenomuzi eMarket. Ngisebenza ePort Shepstone njalo ngelunch sasidla ndawonye. And mina ngangingane ngisanda kusebenza uyena uSiso nemali so njalo ngelunch uthenga ilunch sisodla ndawonye zonke insuku without fail. Ngalendlela ukuthi ngangihlala kwakhe ekhaya ngase ngifika ngama weekends because engafuni ukuhlukana nami. Kwakuba awkward for me because she's a wife ngiyintombi kaMusa when usuku likaMusa efikile zomvakashela.
One eternity later.
When you entered Isthembu, you can elaborate, but I'd like a yes or no. Were the other people in this temple comfortable with you entering?
Not really. No.
Not really?
No.
Why are you uncomfortable with a new person entering?
I don't know. I can't answer for them.
Why are you
me?
uncomfortable with a new person entering?
Now?
Yes.
Mina, I've always been in support of Mthombeni, like expanding umuzi wakhe ngokwezizathu zakhe. But I think I realized ukuthi kunento encane eshintshile because mina ngangixoxele ukuthi esithenjini ukuze sibe isithembu esiphilayo akahamba omunye unkosikazi. Uma ngabe kunonkosikazi ohambile isithembu sifailile.
Okay.
So uma ngabe sewukusho ube comfortable to say mina ngizothatha omunye umfazi makukhona ohamba yangahamba.
Sure.
So I'm not for that. That's one.
Yeah.
Two, awukwazi ukuzicontradicta. So you cannot say something uphinde uyishintshe because mina I bought into vision yakho. So awukwazi ukushintsha wedwa mina ungishiye ngasemuva. So uma ukade uthembisile ukuthi me respecting my wives angeke ngithathe umuntu ngaqubo kankosikazi. That is me respecting because mina ngokwazi kwami umuntu wangakini usibari wangakini usibari kwethu.
Sure.
You cannot see indoda yami makhelwane wakho as potential.
Yeah.
Mombono ubona usibari nosibari mebona abantu bangakini usibenge ubona usibari akade nginokwazi ukuthi bekubani. So mase wenza leyo nto remember njengoba sihlele ekuhlaleni nombani ngakuba it's not everyone happy ngempilo yakhe. Kunabanye abantu abasuke bethi nje Nkosi yami mangase kwenzeke nami yami ingane. We understand. So ziningi izinto kukhona abantu mina ngiyazazi ukuthi angiphakeme ngiyazazi ukuthi ngiyabathanda abantu ngiyazazi kasekhaya ngihamba ngeenyawo noma yinini ngiattenda noma ngabe yini ekhona kodwa ukhona othi lo ngathi ubone ngathi uphakeme nyana. So uma usuzothatha umuntu eduze kwasekhaya kungazi ukuthi udelela umndeni wami and udelela nami futhi. So ilokho kuphela. I never had a problem with him taking ngoba akangitshelanga mangifika uzothatha abantu abangaphi.
Sure.
Akazi asho ngabe ngimqambela amanga. So bekuzoba ukuthi nje ezisikhula yini ezinye esivumelana ngazo like ukuthi when I turn 50 I feel ngizobe sengimdala enough ukuthi ngingaze ngiqale phansi angifuni ukuba nengane ezokhuliswa ubaba omkhulu izinto abesizikhuluma naye mhlambe not mina ngedwa namanye amakhosikazi ekhaya. Ngifuna ukuthi dala ngisebenza kufika isikhathi la khona sesi enjoya izinto esizisebenzele kanzima as lomndeni. So you can't then 17 years later uqhamuke ubese ucabanga ukuthi izinto zizobe the same. So I think for me ilokho but I don't actually have a problem but I'm expressing how I feel about it.
Sure.
I'm not saying yeka qhubeka because you have your own reasons but also allow me to be myself because now angithi manje sewenza wena usangiconsider.
Sure.
Nami ke ngivumele nami ke ngenze lokho kuvumelana nami ngoba nawe uphulile ivumelwano.
Sure.
So that's where we are.
Do you feel like ukujikelile?
Not really angangijikelanga umuntu I don't think umuntu uyakujikela. I think usuke umuntu nama layers. Umuntu mazi la kule layer namhlanje kusasa umazi kule ngalela langa umazi kwenye layer and nezimo zempilo ziyenza ukuthi abantu baveze amanye ama layers obongacabanga ukuthi banawo. Yabo so I wouldn't say ungijikelile but kukhona izinto ezimpushile endleleni ukuthi abe manje le version engayazi because
Sure.
this version angiyazi.
Hey everyone, Ngenochisanok and welcome to my channel. So that was Makhumalo on her recent chat with Lungelo on Engineer Your Life podcast. Lungelo asked a question that's on everyone's mind when it comes to Makhumalo being against Musa taking wife number 5. For me, Makhumalo's response was all over the place, but the gist of it, she says she doesn't have an issue with Musa fulfilling his polygamous wishes because he never said he's going to stop at wife number 4, number 5, etc. She says her issue is that Musa broke the promise of saying he's never going to marry in the same village where Tobile comes from. He kept emphasizing Wangagiti as in my homie, so her biggest issue is proximity, as in Makwela comes too close from where Makhumalo comes from. So Makhumalo just wanted to be the only Mrs. Mselegu married to Musa Mselegu within that village or even a section. I don't know how close Makwela and Makhumalo's homes are. A promise that Musa Mselegu broke by marrying Makwela, who comes from the same village or even few houses down from Makhumalo's home. So Makhumalo's issue is basically that Musa was preaching things for the last 17 years only to do the opposite. For instance, he promised that he will never marry someone that comes from the same village as Makhumalo. He also said something about not wanting kids when he's 50, he wants them to relax. But here we are, he has a child with the 2000 at age 50, and he wants more. Look, for me, the boundary of Musa promising never to marry someone that comes from the same village as Makhumalo was never solid to begin with. I don't know what reason I expected from Makhumalo not wanting Makwela, but this particular reason is not solid enough. Haina depth. Umakwela washelwa waqoma, just like naye washelwa waqoma ngesikhathi aseyingane ashaya isigubhu allegedly apparently. Angimbaleli zono namacala ne, but I think she's the wrong person to be offended by this whole proximity, she's my homie, wangasekhaya thingy, because she was very young, younger than Makwela at that, and very close to Umasaule or Usindi, but still married Musa. If it was something as deep as Musa abandoned their IVF journey wayolanda 2000 while pregisa oyamgabisela, or something as pragmatic as Musa simply cannot afford wife number 5, then netlabali depth, but lay proximity, I think she must just sit it out, because yeah, she's, like I said, she's the wrong person to say that. She was very close to Cindy or Umasaule. She said it herself in one of the early seasons, and she still married Musa as close as she was to Cindy, as young as she was, might I add. She was way younger than Makwela. Makhumalo is only 37. She's been with that family for how long? So I just find Makhumalo's reasons of not wanting Makwela very hypocritical in every way, shape or form. What do you think of her response for not wanting Makwela as wife number 5? It's funny because in season 1, Macele once accused Makhumalo of being too forward because she was meeting with Musa's girlfriends before they were even wives. So Musa marrying Makwela must have hurt Makhumalo a lot, because before that, Makhumalo was supporting everything Musa does, including championing for his polygamous ways. Now, I know she was very young. She was young for the most part of it, but that's what happens when you're siding with a polygamous man. A man that is true to his own desires. Yoguti, hey, don't marry someone from my village. Tell you what, just be happy he's not marrying your relative in the name of being polygamous.
Sifiso sokuthi ngiye ethuneni likaSindi. Manje ke ekuyeni ethuneni lakhe ku optional akuphoqelekile. Kukhona abangafisa ukuya, kukhona abangathi no ngezathu ezithize ngesikwazi. Akunankinga futhi lokho. Nakho ke ngikushoyo.
Mina ngingajabula ukuya. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe khona into engangivimba ukuthi ngigaye. Izathu zami zi-obvious because uSindi mina ngiyamazi. Ngiyalwazi futhi uthando lakhe angibonisa lona, so because of lokho ngingajabulela noma ngabe yini ethinta uSindi.
And nento esho usobile ukuthi newaye uyamazi waye mngani wakhe nento akawayisho ukuthi umbali wa introducewa isayintombi. To me lento ithi uThobile uyazazi iy'ntombi zamusa before umuntu abe unkosikazi.